Welcome to the Netevia Podcast. Today, I am joined by the beautiful Michelle. You probably saw her moderating at our last conference in February, our FinTech Netevia Conference. Michelle, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us.
Happy to be here.
Thank you. So before we dive in, Michelle, can you give a quick intro for people who don't know you?
Yeah, I'd love to. Happy to be here in Miami and here with Netevia. My name is Michelle Beo. I'm the CEO and founder of FinInnovator, which is a future of finance consultancy largely focused on helping companies as well as banks, fintechs, and credit unions, and now actually individuals step into the future of finance.
So now, my favorite question, what liquor did you bring and why?
I love that we're starting the podcast with a way to just break the ice.
Exactly.
So for the Netevia conference, I guess, to kick off this podcast, I chose something Canadian. Many people don't know.
Amazing.
I'm Canadian.
We love Canada and anything Canadian.
We love America.
And America.
So to kick off today, I chose Crown Royal because I heard this is a whiskey podcast. So the best Canadian whiskey, in my opinion, is Crown Royal.
Amazing. I can't wait to taste it.
Me neither.
Okay.
You're going to love it. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Very smooth.
Very smooth.
But yeah, it has a little edge.
It does.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good way
I can feel the vanilla and the oak.
Yeah.
It's really, really smooth.
I love kicking off a conference with a little bit of whiskey.
Oh yeah, 100%. Before we get drunk, I heard you're already preparing the next conference for in February 2026. So tell us everything about it.
Yeah, so happy that I had the opportunity to help Netevia with last year's event or this year's event.
You are absolutely amazing. You're the best moderator ever.
Oh, thank you. It was amazing to be the host and a moderator and to help bring in some speakers and to make the conference really about thought leadership. So much is happening within the industry. And I think when we're trying to distill insights so that ISOs, ISVs, and businesses alike can really step into the future of finance, it's talking about things like open banking, pay by bank, what challenger banks can do and how they can drive new revenues to these ISOs, as well as really just trying to understand what's happening in the market so that they can address it for their businesses and find new revenues. Like our session on AI really was trying to be, how do you step into AI? What are the aspects that you can utilize in your business today that can drive you to tomorrow? So there's just so many topics that we brought into 2025 at the Netevia conference at the Hard Rock Hotel, which was so lovely. And it's just such a great venue. We're selecting it again for 2026. We love that we did it in February, right before conference season. So everyone had an opportunity to escape the cold and come down to Miami.
And the weather was perfect.
And just sit with Netevia for a couple days and really learn what's about to happen. And I think as we come into 2026, looking at what's happening globally, the fact that I go to 10 to 15 conferences a year, able to bring new insights so that we can continue to make sure the Netevia community is really on the edge of insights to drive out their businesses.
100%. I know the last conference was more tech oriented and, like about the future of payments. So what can you tell us about the theme of the next conference, or is it still secret?
So as we look to what's happening and how the market is shifting, I think you're obviously going to see AI as still a part of the theme as we move into the next year. But the market is moving so fast in so many different ways that we're still fine-tuning what the exact theme is going to be. But we do know that it's still going to be driving down that path to the future, because when you look at other markets like Asia, Brazil, Singapore, they're far ahead.
Exactly.
North America has a lot of catching up to do in the sense of technology. So we're still going to bring and distill insights on what's happening in payments, what's happening in AI, what's happening in open banking, because they're all driving to the future.
It's rapidly growing. So we might have to wait until the end of the year to actually finish the worldwide benchmarking.
Yes, definitely.
Amazing. Now, if you have one piece of advice to give every ISOs in the US, because of your insights, because you do like a lot of conferences in 1 year, so what would it be?
I think be open to change. The market is moving so fast. There is so much to take in, and there's so much free content as well. So I think looking to see what you can see online, dive a little deeper into these topics on open banking, on AI, and on payment innovation, because they are shaping the future, therefore shaping your future revenues.
Yeah.
So taking maybe an hour a month to research and take in some information or attend a couple conferences you normally would not, sign up for some webinars. There's so much content out there. And I'll even share a little bit that FinInnovator's created a masterclass on the future of finance.
Oh, that's awesome. What can you tell us about it?
Thank you.
Is it available or
it's
how
available,
do you sign up?
Yeah, it's available online at $7.99 US. It took us 9 months to put this course together. It's actually 10 elements of the future of finance so that everyday professionals can understand a little bit in 6 hours. And it really goes deep into why fintech matters. What is BaaS? What is prepaid? How are their technologies driving the future? It's also talking about payment innovation like ISO 20022 data.
A crash course.
It's a crash course, but it goes a little deeper. It's going to tell you what open banking is, what open finance is. It's also going to talk about digital identity, cybersecurity, and then it goes into what is Web3, what's blockchain, and what's digital currency from crypto to CBDC.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
So I was going to ask you, what tool do you recommend ISOs? But I guess your masterclass has it all.
Our masterclass has it all.
And we highly encourage you to sign up to Michelle's masterclass.
So you can actually put Netevia 25
and we'll put the link somewhere below.
it actually gives you a 25% discount, which we made specifically for Netevia attendees. So you guys can utilize that.
Thank you so much. I know that you have a plane to catch. So Michelle, what's the last thing you'd like to share with us?
Yeah, I think when you're looking at infrastructure and you're coming to events like Netevia, sign up early. Bring your clients so that the conference can help you sell them on the future. It's going to open the door for your clients, yourself, and your staff to really understand this space so that you can truly understand the new innovation. You can ask the questions that you have, and then it will help you step faster into the future of finance and find these new revenues. And I'm really excited to see everybody back in Miami in February 2026 so we can all get together and learn more.
Me too. It was really such a great success. So I'm looking forward to the next one. 100%.
Thank you, Moon.
Michelle, thank you so much for coming and joining us. We're going to have a last sip before saying goodbye.
Okay.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.